Today our teacher is going to be our pet dog. In life we always recommend that it is profound to be in the present moment. Live here and now.
Hi, this is my wife Chinmayi.
And this is my husband Shri.
If this is your first time here and it's your passion to be extremely fit, happy and you want to live long, then remember to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Do you agree that we have become so busy that we hardly get to live in the moment? This is in spite of the fact that we know that living in the moment is crucial for our fitness, happiness and success. The main reason is lack of real world examples. So we don't get to see it so that we can easily apply this in our lives. Being a practical person, it is nice to see things work before we can study and understand and implement. Occasionally I get to meet my guru, Sri Sri, and understand what it is to live in the moment. Nature is constantly trying to show us the importance of being present. For example, our pet dogs, they are a wonderful example of living in the moment. Let's see what all we can learn from our pet dog. Today our teacher is going to be our pet dog. In life we always recommend that it is profound to be in the present moment. Live here and now. What do we mean by living in the moment or being here and now? Here means this location, now means this point in time. And what happens normally? We are here and now physically, but our mind is constantly wandering all over, future, past. So our awareness is not with us. To experience this moment fully, we need to be here and now. Our other experiences in the past should not color or distort this experience, because life is here now. Do you agree? Unless we cultivate the ability to empty our cup, how can we fill it with fresh experiences? Now let's look at a dog. Although she remembers the street, the places, the people she has met, she has the profound ability to use that information only when needed in the moment. Dogs live for the present moment, be it eating, playing, or guarding. Dog uses the past judicially and future is not a worrisome burden. In life, the only thing we can experience is the present moment. Why not experience it? First point is living in the moment. Second point is, why can't we be playful? Why be serious? What is the point in being serious? Life is too precious to be taken seriously. Are you getting the point? As we grow up, we become more and more serious. Do you agree? Do we lose our ability to laugh? Even when we smile, it gets limited to our lips. When we were young, we could laugh with our whole body. Do you see the change? Dogs love to play, whether it is running, jumping or chasing. Whole body is used. This is a good reminder for us to use our whole body to express and be joyful. Being playful opens up our mind and spirit for all kinds of new ideas and creativity. Dogs give you a reason to get out for cycling, hiking, running. Why can't we express our joy? Wouldn't it be fun if we all could jump around if we are excited about something? We live life so fast that we often forget to celebrate our good moments because we are already on to the next thing. This moment is also called the present. It is actually a gift that we are missing. We live in a miraculous world, such a wonderful world where sun comes up, flowers bloom, seasons change. There is so much to jump for joy about. Do you see? Let's take another example. When we take our dog for a car ride, it will stick its head out and enjoy the breeze, smell the air and feel the air against its fur. They don't care where they are going. They are just enjoying the ride. They are just enjoying the journey. Although goals are important to set, we often forget that journey also is extremely important and often matters most. When we get too attached to the outcome, we set ourselves for frustration, depression, and even anger if our exact expectations are not met. Next time you set goals, be open for other possibilities and enjoy every moment of excitement, creativity, fun, and lessons in the journey. Next point is accepting oneself. We often say that we should accept others. Are we able to accept ourselves? This is needed to be able to lead a natural life. Do you think that one dog breed will ever dream of becoming another dog breed? But we dream so and spend so much time trying to make ourselves look like someone else's idea of perfection, instead of loving our unique features and our extraordinary life. And yes, our problems. How boring it would be if all dogs looked and behaved alike. Love everything about yourself, the good, bad, and the ugly. Why fit in when you were born to stand out, says Dr. Seuss. Now to bonus points. So far, we have seen what a dog does and what we can learn from them. Now let's look at what dogs don't do and how we can learn from them. A dog will never hold grudges. She will never be angry with you because you forgot to feed her. Holding grudges weighs us down emotionally and prevents us from moving forward in life. And second, dog will never overeat. And very often dog will do fasting as well. Have you noticed this? If you have a pet dog, you will notice this. So this is also very important. I follow a eating pattern called the intermittent fasting, which has extremely helped me in my marathon runs. Let's learn these two aspects also from our pet dog. Now finally, let's look at the 3 things that we can do to help us to live in this moment fully. Remember to look at life from a bigger perspective and see how precious it is to be more present, as life happens only here and now. First thing we must do is daily meditation twice. I will provide the links. It's extremely important. There are so many discussions on the importance of meditation. Meditation helps in being more present. So life becomes more meditative. Another thing that we can do is, we all have smartphones, smart watches. We can set a 20 minutes timer that will alert us to take a couple of deep breaths. Controlled breathing also helps our mind to be here and now. And last but not the least, regular exercises coupled with yoga, breathing techniques, and meditation. I do my running and I recommend running. It immensely helps us to be more present. Good luck with your life. Enjoy the journey. To access more such life-transforming inspirational videos for extreme fitness, happiness, and long life, click the links on this page. And remember to share, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And thanks so much for watching, and look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.